YouTube? It's your girl Tasha back again with another video. See by the title, I'll be giving y'all this recipe for this coronavirus because y'all already know like this virus is going crazy. This drink is meant to boost your immune system and fight all the bacteria, fight all the sickness, coughness, whatever, y'all. But I'm trying to put y'all on. Share this with your family, friends, because I'm telling you this drink will help you. Just a disclaimer, I am not a health professional. I'm not no nurse. I'm not none of that yet. Also, if you're wondering more in depth, like what do these special products do, I definitely recommend you to look down in my info down below, what it does, what is the good effects and all of that. I got you. Anyways, please like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification on. Let me know feedback, and we're just gonna get straight into it.
So as of right now, I'll be starting with these 3 ingredients, but later on I'll be adding more. So I have ginger, 2 garlic cloves, and half of a lemon. I go ahead and cut the ginger into smaller parts. I also do the same thing for the 2 cloves and the lemon, just so that it could be blended easily. You cannot forget about the water, y'all. This is like the main thing. So I use half of a water bottle, which is about 8 ounces. Then I just let it blend on high until it's finished thoroughly. The next thing on my checklist, I definitely need a drainer just so that all the skin doesn't end up in my drink. I really like when my drink is very smooth, so that's what's gonna happen. I forgot to mention this in the beginning of the video. Make sure you clean the ingredients before you use them. Don't just put it in the blender like that. Definitely want to make sure your drink is hot. So go ahead and put that in the microwave, honey, or just put it on the stove. So I have these next ingredients, which is honey and turmeric. So I add just a little bit of turmeric in there. I don't add a lot because, you know, but I use ground turmeric, and I also use raw honey. When I usually put the honey, I usually do it 2 times. I use my spoon. Look at that. I fill it up, and then I do it again. Because, you know, I just need that taste because the drink be strong, y'all. So I suggest using some honey. So your drink should look like this, like juice. Look like it's, you know, delicious.
So basically my drink is done. I got it in a glass cup. You will definitely taste the garlic, every ingredient that you put in this. Without the honey, y'all, it would be too strong. Make sure you guys drink this hot because that's when, like when you're sick, you're supposed to drink something hot. When you drink something hot, it sends a signal to your brain, and that will tell you to sweat and for you to cool off. So y'all thought I didn't know human science? Use all natural products as much as you can, because when you put big stuff in your body, it's not really gonna help you at all. Like all that stuff that they be selling, like pills and stuff, like just go all natural and get the products and make it yourself, and it'll save money too. Okay, but I am finally done with this video. I hope you guys like it. Let's share this with your family and friends because it's very beneficial. And go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, follow me on all my social media.
Don't forget to look in the description below for extra information on these ingredients and why it's important for our body.
I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.